In this video, I will talk about how you can convert leads into sales in your affiliate marketing business. And these are the top secrets that I will gonna reveal in this video. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So when I was a beginner affiliate marketer, I don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Then I started following other people and they told me that I need to create a consistent content to be successful in affiliate marketing. So I did exactly the same. I started creating a content in my affiliate marketing business and slowly I'm getting a clicks in my affiliate link, but I'm not getting any sales. So after some time, I was very frustrated. And these are the main reason why people fail in affiliate marketing. They start affiliate marketing, they create a content for 1 month to 2 months. And if they didn't get any sale, then they quit. Then slowly I realized that I need to change something in my business. So I started taking the training from other successful affiliate marketers, and when I learned something, then I started implementing in my business. And then everything changed in my affiliate marketing business. So in this video, I will show you the 4 things that I changed in my business that change everything. So the first thing is, when you start your affiliate marketing business, then you need to choose a niche that you are interested in. So there are basically 3 main evergreen niches that you can choose to find good affiliate product to promote, which is health, wealth, and relationship. So these are the 3 main niches, but there are lots of sub niches inside the main niche. So for example, if I talk about health niche, then there are lots of sub niches inside the health niche, like a keto diet, bodybuilding, weight loss, and same in a wealth niche, there are lots of sub niches like affiliate marketing, make money online, crypto, trading, as well as inside the relationship niche, there are lots of sub niches like parenting, dating advice. So first, you need to choose a sub niche that you are interested in. And then once you choose a niche, then you need to find a high converting affiliate offer to promote inside that niche. So for example, if you select affiliate marketing niche, then you need to start find a high converting affiliate offer to promote inside affiliate marketing niche. And if you want to find a good affiliate product to promote inside any niche, then what you can do, you can see what other successful affiliate marketers are promoting the same product in affiliate marketing niche. So for example, you can go to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and search like affiliate marketing, and then you will see lots of people who are creating a content inside affiliate marketing. Then you need to see which product they are promoting, and when you see lots of other affiliates are promoting the same product in the same niche that you choose, then you also need to start promoting that product, because if lots of other affiliates are promoting the same product, that means they are making money by promoting that product. So you also need to start promoting that product. And don't worry about competition, because you are unique and you will promote the product at your unique way. So don't worry about competition and just start promoting the products that other affiliates are promoting. So if I talk about myself, then I select a affiliate marketing niche, then I see that lots of people who are in affiliate marketing niche, they are promoting legendary marketer. So if you don't know what legendary marketer is, then legendary marketer teaches people affiliate marketing, and they show people how they can start their affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. So I started promoting Legendary Marketer because I see lots of other affiliates are promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself, because they have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket courses to your audience. And if someone decide to purchase, then you will get up to $1,000 per sale without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge, then check the link in the description below. Then in a second thing, once you select the product to promote, then you need to start creating a consistent content in social media platforms. So right now, reels are in high demand, and if you can create just one reel, then you can get thousands and even millions of views. So right now I'm doing the same thing. Right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer and I'm creating a reels on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube to promote Legendary Marketer. And what I'm doing, I just create one reel inside my TikTok account, then I download that reel and post the same reel inside my Instagram reels, Facebook reels and YouTube shorts. So in that way, I'm getting a lots of views and leads inside my affiliate marketing business. And I will give you the simple framework that I'm using to create all of my reels. So right now I'm using a hook, story and offer framework to create all of my reels to promote Legendary Marketer. And you can use the same framework to promote any product in any niche. So for example, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So I know that if someone is interested in make money online or affiliate marketing, or they want to start some type of side hustle, then that people is interested in purchasing Legendary Marketer. So I will create a hook like, Are you looking for a beginner friendly side hustle to start? Because I know that if someone is interested in starting a side hustle, then they will definitely interested in Legendary Marketer. So that's why I will create this type of hook. And then in a story, I talk about there are lots of different business model to start like drop shipping, Amazon FBA, social media marketing agency. But if you are looking for a beginner friendly side hustle, then you need to start affiliate marketing, because in affiliate marketing you don't need to create any product or service, you don't need to deal with any product fulfillment and no customer service. You just need to focus 100% on marketing, and when someone purchases a product or service through your link, then you will get a commission. So if you are already busy and if you are only have a 1 to 2 hours a day, then also you can start your affiliate marketing business. So in my story, I justify the hook that if you are looking for a beginner friendly side hustle to start, then you need to start with affiliate marketing, and you need to add call to action in all of your reels. So for example, in this reel, I give call to action to my audience that if you want to get free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. So I created a free affiliate marketing case study for the beginners who don't know how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So inside my case study, I talk about everything. I told my audience that which affiliate product that I'm promoting that is converting good for me. I told my audience that which type of content that I'm creating to promote the product, as well as I show my audience that how I create my funnel and my email automation sequence. So if you are also a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. So this is one example that how you can use a hook story and offer framework to promote any product in any niche. Then in a third thing, you can create a funnel to capture people's name and email address who visit your page, as well as you can redirect them to the affiliate offer that you are promoting. And the main purpose of that page is to capture people's name and email address who visit that page. And once they give you that information, then they will go to the other page, which is also called the bridge page. And on that page, you have one video that talk about the affiliate offer that you are promoting. And below the video, you have one button. So when someone click on that button, then they will directly go to the affiliate offer that you are promoting. And once they purchase, then you will get a commission. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and right now I'm doing the same thing that I told you. I'm using a bridge page funnel to capture people's email address, and then I redirect them to the Legendary Marketer sales page. And once they purchase, then I will get a commission. Then in a fourth thing, you need to start following with people who give you their name and email address. So you already capture people's name and email address in your landing page. So you can send them email automation sequence and talk about the affiliate offer over and over again. So eventually in future they will purchase and you will get a commission. And the main purpose of your email automation sequence is to remove people's objection, provide them additional training, and show them other people's social proof. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. So my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is legit or not. And Legendary Marketer will help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So as an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove all of the potential objection of my audience. And once I do that, then they will definitely purchase Legendary Marketer through my link, and I will get a commission. So if you are promoting any product in any niche, you just need to remove all of the potential objection of your audience. And once you do that, then they will purchase a product that you are recommending. So if you want to do the affiliate marketing business for the long term, then you must need to include email marketing inside your business and just start capturing people's email address. So this is the exact 4 things that I'm doing right now to convert leads into sales in my affiliate marketing business. So if you are also a beginner affiliate marketer, then just comment below this video that which problem you are facing in your affiliate marketing business. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, because inside my case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business. So if you want to get instant access, then check the link in the description below. And now, if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.